Welcome back to the 9th episode of Healing Plate and Lifestyle, your channel that equips you with the tool and the knowledge to take charge of your health. Today, the episode is really special because it's a festive period. I'm going to talk to you about the difference between the underground oven, which is called here in Fiji LOVO, and the African BBQ. LOVO is usually cooked by men, while African BBQ is cooked by female. LOVO techniques requires the digging of the ground. It requires also some firewood. It requires also some banana tree stems. It requires coconut leaves. It requires also banana leaves. Meanwhile, the barbecue in West Africa requires mainly your barbecue stand and also your charcoal and your barbecue grill. In LOVO, you can cook just anything from cassava to taro to meat to also leaves. But for barbecue, usually, at least in West and Central Africa, we usually cook meat and fish. You can add spices such as onion, garlic, basil, white or black pepper, and African nutmegs, and you can just go by what spices you like the most. But it requires quite some spices. I had the privilege to test both meals during this festive season, and I'm going to take you through the cooking process of both meals. LOVO requires quite some work, but once it's done, once the setup is already there and the food is in the ground, you just have to wait for about 2 hours, and then you come back, you unpack the food, and it's ready to eat. You don't need to come there and check again. But the African barbecue, the West and Central African barbecue, you need to be there. You need to watch and make sure that the fish or the meat doesn't burn, and also the fire or at least the charcoal fire is not too much. Otherwise, you are going to burn your food, or you are going to wait forever because the fire is not enough. Let's now start right away with the LOVO. Let's go together.
This is the third stage at the moment. You can see we have already lit it up, and that's all those the things,
food,
the food that's going to be put inside.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so what do we have here?
This is paulusami, we call it.
Oh, this is robo leaf, eh?
Yeah, that's taro leaf
Taro leaf.
with coconut cream, onions, tomatoes, and a little bit of something that we added to it. So
Okay.
it's already been boiled. You can see. Yeah, I'll just try and open one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that's the taro leaf
Wow.
with the coconut cream inside.
I see, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And this is the pig.
Oh, the pig.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
And you
the
wrap
pig.
it in this, what?
These
what
are
is-
coconut leaves. We
Oh.
already tied together. So just to prevent it from overburn
Oh, okay, okay.
and help it also with the cooking. I think this is the chicken.
Oh.
Yeah.
chicken.
It's just to prevent also from overburn.
Okay.
You see, that's the chicken.
It's not easy, but it's really interesting. Yeah.
It's called a lovo, by the way. Lovo.
Yeah.
Back in New Zealand, they normally does it. It's called hanging in New Zealand. Hanging. In Fiji, it's called lovo.
And in Samoa.
Samoa, lovo also.
Lovo also.
Lovo
Okay.
also Samoa, Tonga.
But the technique is the same, right?
Yeah, all the techniques are the same.
Okay. Super. Oh, I'm so excited. When do you do LOVO? How often do you do it back in the village?
In the village, we does it in a special occasion like birthdays, funerals, weddings.
Yeah.
It depends on the lots of people that we have, the amount of people that we have.
Yeah.
Love is the only opportunity that we do to cater for everyone.
Okay.
And that's when we normally does every cooking in it.
Oh, yeah.
So we doesn't have to require a lot of women doing the cooking or a lot of men doing the cooking and all.
Oh.
So Lovo is the only option that we does.
Okay.
And that is how we normally does it back in the village.
Okay. Set. So it's not a food that we eat every day, but it's really for special occasion, is it?
You can eat it every day also. It depends if you like the Lovo that much. You can try it out, try it out, and that's up to you.
Okay.
So it's not only on a special occasion, any of those.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, set. But I guess that with all the techniques and the processes, it must be a bit difficult to eat it every day, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Who are the one in charge of the Lovo? Is it, well, in charge of making the Lovo, is it women or men?
Men.
Okay. Oh.
Men like in Fijian country, like Fijian, in villages,
Yeah.
men are like a role model. They do it, like they go to get the cassava.
Okay.
They go to the sea.
Yeah.
Women can go fishing, but men especially, they need to provide for the family.
Oh.
And when
Okay.
you're growing up in a Fijian household,
Yeah.
your father, your grandfather will have to teach you to know this.
Okay.
You need to know this.
Oh wow,
It's
that's
part of
really
the culture.
interesting.
Yeah.
Lovo is coming. I mean, the food is coming to be and ready to be buried.
Yeah. You will dig it out.
Okay.
You can, even if they're taking the stomach, it's smell the food. Maybe you can just have dinner here before going up down. You want to skip the food now or we do it tomorrow? Feeling it? The heart. What's that? What kind of meat is this? Sapa?
So this is pork, right?
That's pork. Yeah.
Pork.
And this is what?
That's hill and
That's lamb.
Okay, lamb. Yeah.
Yep.
I've already seen.
And this one is chicken.
Yeah. Oh wow. Lamb, chicken.
Nirekia.
And where is Polisani? That's my favorite.
You can go home or you can go to Cuba. You can do this. Yeah, oh, he's very experienced. 15 years. Very experienced. He can even plant the coconut. Let first. So this is how they do it. This is how we do it.
Yeah.
Whenever you become a neighbor,
Whenever it's tea time or lunchtime, if they're
Wow.
they're gonna call you, hey, come here.
This is the wet Sulu, right?
yeah, that's a wet Sulu.
Okay.
The skin doesn't come out, eh? Because of the wet sulu.
Oh, I see. So it's to prevent the steam from coming out. Okay. Okay. Wow. But it's not going to get dry?
No.
It get dry. But towards the end, eh?
Yeah.
When it's about to be done, it will get dry.
Okay.
The water will get evaporated.
And it cannot get burned, can it? Okay. Wow. This is so technical. Okay. So now we bury with the sand.
Yeah.
Maybe in 2 hours time.
So that's it.
That's it. That's it. Yes.
So at around 6 p.m., that's when we started to unearth the earth oven. Then
Okay.
that's when the food already is ready.
Okay. So we have 2 hours, right?
Yep, 2 hours.
Set. Perfect. Oh, thank you so much, Patrick.
Thank you
Now
so
we
much.
go to volleyball.
Yeah.
Play, play.
Balsamic chicken.
And this one is what?
This one is lamb.
Lamb.
Yeah. This is pork also.
Because of all the smoke that surrounds Lovo during the cooking process, Lovo has this smoky taste that is so tasty, so good, and it reminds me of the smoked fish that we used to add in most of our food back in Africa. And this is polisami, my favorite. I'm starting with the salad that pairs well with fish.
Actually, he's calling me right now. Smile.
This is the sauce that goes with the fish. Part of the sauce has been cooked and part of it has been used to season the fish. The carefully selected varieties of the spices makes this food so delectable. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked the content. If you did, share around you, share with your friends and family, and see you next time. Happy New Year. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.